Okay. Next time I'll go faster than that, I know.
Bro,
What is your name? Bro, what is your name? Hey, move your arms. Move your arms. Ohio penis.
I almost pelted you. Snowball.
Bro, that's me personally. I would not tolerate that behavior. Someone texting you while you're in the middle, the middle of a professional game of tag.
All the time to me. I mean, really?
What?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm stuck. Oh my! I just got stuck on a branch.
Get him!
Oh my god! 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 No! Ah! I'm fine. I'm fine. Ah! Get tagged.
Graham! Get on me! That's close to dying.
Hey, yo, King Hat.
This ain't a king hat. This is a banana.
Bro, get Gray!
Where's Gray? Where is he?
Elpet's the goodest one in here, bro. Okay, I'll just bro.
Oh my god, bro. Does this kid know English?
Pretty good too.
Hey,
And
Banana Head.
what?
Banana Head.
What?
What's your name?
My name is Medoxy.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Well, that's like my nickname, you know. Okay, never mind. I thought you were chasing
Then
me.
you can just
I don't think you could stay up here all day tree camping.
I don't think I can.
I'm gonna do it. If I break my arm, guys, it's a free game that comes with free trips to the hospital. Alright guys, so in this next clip, I helped the red monkey tag everyone since he was new. And he was so wholesome, I wanted him to be in some upcoming videos, so I asked for his name, but this happened.
Yes,
All right,
thank you,
Red.
Maddox. Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you, Maddox.
you're welcome. Here, wait, what's your Oculus name?
What?
Your Oculus name. Like, I want to friend you.
I don't know.
Wait, hold up, wait, press your Oculus button.
Press your Oculus button and hold it down. Like, hold the Oculus button down on your.
No! Bro, he just turned off the power button! I said the Oculus button, not the power button!
I didn't even realize that.
Bruh!